To send Trust Wallet fingerprint login, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Trust Wallet app installed on your device. Open the app and navigate to the Settings menu, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon. In the Settings menu, select the Security option, which may be listed as Security or Fingerprint Login. If prompted, enter your password or PIN to access the security settings. Look for the Fingerprint Login option and toggle it on. You may be asked to add a fingerprint, so select the Add Fingerprint option and follow the on-screen instructions to register your fingerprint. Once your fingerprint is registered, go back to the security settings and ensure the Fingerprint Login option is enabled. Now, when you open the Trust Wallet app, you should be able to use your fingerprint to log in. To send cryptocurrency using Fingerprint Login, open the Trust Wallet app and select the Send option. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to send and enter the recipient's wallet address. Enter the amount you want to send and select the next option. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Then select the Send option. You will be prompted to confirm the transaction using your fingerprint. Place your registered finger on the fingerprint sensor, and the transaction will be confirmed and sent. Best practices for using Fingerprint Login with Trust Wallet include ensuring your device is secure, keeping your fingerprint registration up to date, and being cautious when using public devices or networks. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely send cryptocurrency using Trust Wallet Fingerprint Login. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your device and wallet information private.